Hello kids, today we will count the dots and write the numbers according to the dots and arrange words according to the numbers. So let's start the video. Now count the dots and arrange the numbers according to the dots. 1, 2, 2 dots. Let's find out number 2. Where's number 2? This is no. This is no. This is no. Yes, number 2. 2 dots, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Let's find out number 4. This is no. This is number 4. No. Yes, number 4. 4 dots, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 dots. Let's find out number 5. This is no. This is no. Yes. 5 dots, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 3 dots. Let's find out number 3. Yes. Number 3. 3 dots, number 3. 1 dot, number 1. Now, arrange the birds according to the numbers. 1, 2, 2 dots, number 2. Let's find out 2 birds. This is no. This is no. This is no. Yes. 1, 2, 2 birds. 2 dots. Number 2. 2 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Number 4. Let's find out 4 birds. This is no. This is no. This is no. This is no. Yes. 4 dots. Number 4. 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. Number 5. Let's find out 5 birds. This is no. This is no. Yes. 5 dots. Number 5. 5 birds. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. Let's find out 3 birds. Yes. 3 dots. Number 3. 3 birds. 1 dot. Number 1. This is 1 bird. Now repeat the dots, number and number of birds. 1, 2, 2 dots. Number 2. 1, 2, 2 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5 dots. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. 1 dot. Number 1. 1 bird.
Please like and subscribe the video.